The University Club New York app. The pros, the cons. If you're curious about elite private clubs in New York, the University Club app promises an insider look, but is it really worth your time? One of the biggest pros is access. Most people get this wrong by assuming apps for private clubs are purely promotional. The University Club app allows members and prospective members to explore events, book dining reservations, and stay updated on club activities right from their phone. For example, you can RSVP to speaker events or manage your dining bookings without having to call the club. The app also provides convenience. Membership details, payment tracking, and club announcements are centralized, which is helpful if you're managing multiple accounts or attending events regularly. Notifications keep you informed about exclusive offerings, from fine dining menus to seasonal gatherings. Another advantage is networking. The app allows members to view upcoming events and attendees, making it easier to connect with fellow professionals and alumni, one of the main benefits of joining a private club in the first place. However, there are cons. The app is primarily designed for existing members, so non-members may find limited functionality. Some users report minor glitches when syncing reservations or payments, and the app's design can feel dated compared to modern lifestyle apps. In conclusion, the University Club New York app is perfect for current members who want streamlined access to events, reservations, and networking opportunities. The surprising truth is that while it enhances convenience, it doesn't replace the in-person experience or the prestige of being part of a historic private club. If you're a member, the app is a handy companion for keeping your university club life organized. If not, it's more of a teaser into what membership offers.